Hello and welcome back to Discover Daily by Perplexity, your daily dose of stories in science, technology, and beyond. I'm your host, Alex, and my voice is powered by the 11 Labs. Today, we're going on a journey through 3 stories that showcase the incredible potential of artificial intelligence, weather modification, and the surprising world of bacteria. So sit back, relax, and let's jump in. In a world where personalization is king, Spotify is taking music discovery to the next level with its new AI-powered playlist feature. Spotted by a keen-eyed TikTok user, this innovative tool allows users to create custom playlists simply by typing in a prompt or selecting from a list of suggestions. Here's how it works. Users access the feature from the Your Library tab, where they're greeted with a chatbot-style interface. They can then input their desired prompt, such as get focused at work with instrumental electronica or explore a niche genre like Witch House. The AI then works its magic, analyzing the user's preferences and the chosen prompt to generate a personalized playlist that can be further refined by removing unwanted songs. This new feature is just one of many ways Spotify is leveraging AI to enhance the user experience, from the recently launched AI DJ to the potential use of generative AI for podcast summarization and audio ad creation. Spotify is positioning itself as a leader in AI-driven music and audio innovation. In the scorching desert of Dubai, where temperatures regularly soar above 115 degrees Fahrenheit, water scarcity is a constant challenge. But the United Arab Emirates, UAE, has a plan to create artificial rain through the use of sophisticated cloud seeding technology. Cloud seeding involves dispersing substances like potassium chloride and sodium chloride into the air to stimulate the formation of rain or snow from clouds. The UAE has invested heavily in this technology, developing a network of weather stations, radar systems, and specialized aircraft to carry out seeding operations. But they're not stopping there. Recent advancements have introduced the use of electrical charges from drones to manipulate the weather and induce rainfall. By zapping clouds with electricity, these drones can create larger raindrops that are more likely to reach the ground in hot countries like the UAE. The UAE Research Program for Rain Enhancement Science is at the forefront of this effort, providing grant assistance to research teams worldwide to advance the science and technology of rain enhancement. And while cloud seeding comes with a cost, the potential increase in harvestable rainfall presents a compelling alternative to desalination, making it a viable solution for addressing water scarcity in the region. Now let's take a journey into the microscopic world of bacteria, where a fascinating phenomenon known as kamikaze bacteria is shedding new light on the complex behavior of these tiny organisms. Recent studies have revealed that certain bacteria, such as those from the Yersinia genus, employ a unique strategy to aid in the spread and virulence of their populations. A small subset of these bacteria, known as soldier cells, are filled with powerful toxins called TC toxins. When the time is right, these soldier cells explode, releasing their deadly cargo and sacrificing themselves for the benefit of their bacterial brethren. But the potential applications of this discovery extend far beyond the realm of bacterial warfare. Researchers at the University of California, San Diego, have engineered Salmonella bacteria to act as kamikaze agents against cancer. These modified bacteria produce anti-cancer drugs and self-destruct within tumors, releasing their payload and showing promising results in shrinking tumors when combined with chemotherapy. The study of bacterial suicide mechanisms is also crucial for the development of new antibiotics. By targeting these soldier cells, scientists may be able to develop more effective treatments against pathogenic bacteria, offering hope in the fight against antibiotic resistance. That's it for today's episode of Discover Daily. Thank you for joining us. If you'd like to learn more about these stories, be sure to check out the links in the episode description. And don't forget to subscribe to Discover Daily on your favorite podcast platform to stay up to date with the latest stories. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Until then, keep your mind open, your curiosity alive, and always remember to stay curious. This is Alex signing off from Discover Daily.